This isn't me, but it looks exactly like me. Just watch me. I'm about to change my outfit in my background. You see? No cameras, no reshoots, no stylists, and you're good to go. And you know what? It even gets crazier because you can switch yourself to anybody, even celebrities, like this. You can even make them move the way you want. So, if you want to know how to do this, using just one tool, you can do all this. Just follow this tutorial step by step without missing anything. And do not forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. Step 1 is prepare your reference video. The secret to a perfect AI clone is your reference video. Keep your movement intentional, no crazy movements. Ensure your lighting is solid. It's either you're using natural light that is consistent or you have artificial light. Remember that $2 hack we talked about in my previous video? You need to check out to make sure that your lighting is perfect. If you don't know how to do that, go and watch that video now so that you can make a perfect reference video for this tutorial. Step 2. Download CapCut on your phone and then you have the interface like this. Click on AI generator and then you should have something like this. Click on AI. Then once that loads, copy the prompt that is on the screen right now, or you can also modify it to what you like. Then you should be able to generate something like this on your phone. You have so many options. You can use ChatGPT too, but CapCut is my go-to. Then you download the Kling AI. We are using this one for the motion. Click on motion control. Then you should have something like this. Upload the image and then also upload the video on this interface. Pick the reference video, you remember that, then you should be able to have something like this after you uploaded both your video and your picture. And then you click on the video 2.6 because that gives you like 20 credits, less credits to generate. Then you should be able to generate your video after all this. And then we'll have this. This isn't me, but it looks exactly like me. So you see, it's that easy and simple. There are so many websites and apps you can use to generate this kind of motion control. There are paid versions, there are free versions. I'll just give you the free versions. If you want the paid version, then check the description below in this video so that these paid versions help you to generate more video as much as you want, especially if you're a content creator that needs these videos in large and in bulk. So this is like the advisable thing to do. Get a paid version so that your work can be seamless and smooth. If you found this video helpful, then you will love my video where I talk about 5 high-paying skills in 2026 that I'm learning. This is linked up. And then the last part of this video, where I'll be showing you how you can swap yourself to look like any celebrity, like this, and like this to any celebrity. You should definitely subscribe to this channel because that is the next content I'm going to be dropping after this video and you don't want to miss out. And also comment I'm interested so that I can know that you guys are interested in this particular tutorial. And this brings us to the end of this video. I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.